Hi Crafty Friends, it's Sylvia. How's everyone doing today? So today we're going to do an unboxing of this beautiful painting that's called Lady Creole by Mandie Manzano. And this is from Diamond Art Club. And this is actually a small painting, guys. So it comes in this beautiful box. It's a round diamonds because it's pink and you see the circle, and it also tells you it's round diamonds. Okay, scan me to unlock for 10%. In the back it tells you what's inside the kit and how it works. So let's open up this baby. So I figure I work on this beautiful painting for the month of February, which is Black History Month. And there's an event going on, and it's hosted by Bluntz Gemz. I will put all the information on the description box, and it's hashtag DP Black History Month. Okay, I'll put the information down. All right, so there goes a small sticker. It always comes with 2 stickers. You could put this in your logbook, or you could put this on the bottom or the top of your box. This is the toolkit. Let's open up this baby. So my friend and I are actually going to work on this one together again, because we worked on the talisman together, so we're going to work on this one. All right, so let's see. It's always a surprise to see what kind of cover minder you get. Look at this. Is that not the cutest thing? It's a little pink flower. So it's a cover minder. So it comes with the resealable bags. It comes with a really, wow, nice. See that? Isn't that pretty? This is washi tape. It comes with a container with the wax inside in heart shape. Very nice container. It comes with a diamond pen that's orange, and also a pen grip. It's supposed to go here and it's supposed to help with your fingers. It comes also with some placers and a tray. All right, so let's put all this away. Let's put it aside. All right, all the Diamond Art Club paintings come in a plastic bag. Look how small it is, guys. I love it. I'm glad actually that I'm also working on this, because I've had a couple of people ask if Diamond Art Club makes small paintings. So yes, they do. And I'm actually going to have a series working on small paintings also. All right, so do what makes you sparkle, and I say do what makes you happy. They put this in a plastic bag to protect the painting while it's traveling to your house. The canvas of Diamond Art Club, they're all very, very smooth like butter, and they're designed to prevent wrinkling and fraying. Okay. All right. And the drills, by the way, guys, are 100% resin. Okay, look at this. Look at it. And it comes with a little sticker. It tells you it's Lady Creole. So if you separate them, you'll know that these drills belong to that painting. Okay, and it comes always with the instructions. Thank you for your purchase. What's in the kit, tips and tricks. All right, step-by-step instructions, which is nice. It comes in handy for the people that are beginners. All right, and then this is the sticker, the big sticker. This I will put this in my binder. So it tells you it's Lady Creole by Mandie Manzano, start date and end date. Okay, and then it comes with pre-cut stickers, so you put these on your containers or not. All right, a little bit about Mandie Manzano. Mandie Manzano was born in New Orleans, Louisiana. Sorry about that. Where they have the world famous Cajun gumbo and crawfish. Unfortunately, guys, I'm allergic to shellfish, so I cannot eat. Isn't that sad? But anyway, let's see what else. She also, all her work basically has been influenced by the natural exuberant colors that come out of Mardi Gras, the Mardi Gras city. Okay, example, she, by the way, guys, she has 105 paintings in Diamond Art Club, and some of them are the Blue Fairy, Cinderella, Rapunzel, the Frog Prince, and so on. Okay. All right, so look at this beautiful painting, guys, and it's perfect size. So down here, it tells you it has a picture. Excuse me, I should have brought water upstairs. Diamond Art Club, Lady Creole. It's 12.6 inches by 18.1. It's 32 centimeters by 46 centimeters. It's by Mandie Manzano, Diamond Art Club. Okay, in the middle, it tells you basically that you can find them on Facebook and Instagram. Down here, you have the lifetime warranty, which is a 30-day money-back guarantee, free diamond spill insurance, and 10% cashback rewards with every order. All the Diamond Art Club always on the top, it tells you, it says, "Do What Makes You Sparkle" by Diamond Art Club. They always have two legends, one on the upper left-hand side and one on the lower right-hand side, okay? And the legend, guys, comes in handy because it basically tells you how many colors. So by looking at this legend, you have 34 colors in this beautiful painting. The symbols are in the middle, and the symbols are what you're going to find in the painting, and that's where you're going to place your drills. And then, of course, the color code is basically the DMC code numbers. All right. So what do I see when I look at this beautiful painting? Well, what I see a beautiful woman, and I also see that nature is reflected in this artwork, because you can see there's flowers. She's surrounded by flowers, and there's a vine that's growing. See that? It's like stretching out, but it also looks like, I don't know, it looks like she's coming out of the vines. So it looks like it might be saying that she's connected to the vines, and she's connected to the deep roots of nature in the South. Okay. And also remember, the Creole people in the South, they're very diverse people, and they have wonderful culture. Okay, hold on a second. It's my phone. Sorry about that. I thought it was my daughter calling me, but it isn't. Okay, so yes, and when you look at this painting also, it's like she's celebrating, because she has this beautiful, look at the colors on this head wrap. I think that's called a head wrap. And it's beautiful. Look at the colors on this. It's like blues, greens, all the colors that I like. And of course, then she's got two beautiful flowers, and then she's got these beautiful almond eyes. She's just gorgeous, guys. Okay. So yeah. So it looks like she's celebrating, you know. And of course, let's not forget, look at this, like there's like a glow behind her, and all the colors. It just brings out the painting. Yeah. All right, so let's put it aside and let's look at the colors. Okay, let us begin. So we have 310, 2 packets of 310, which is black. 355 is terracotta dark, very pretty color. 550 is violet, very dark. Make sure I put them together like that. 644 is beige gray medium. 699 is green. 720 is orange spice dark. 728 is topaz. Oops. 741 is tangerine medium. 742 is tangerine light. Can we squeeze it in here? Yeah, I think we can. Okay. 780 is topaz ultra, very dark. 782 is topaz dark. And 783 is topaz medium. Okay. 814 is garnet dark. Wow, it's pretty. 823 is navy blue dark. 890 is pistachio green ultra dark. And 898 is coffee brown very dark. 900 is burnt orange dark. 906 is parrot green light. 907 is coffee brown ultra dark. Oh, wait a minute. Did I make a mistake here? I'm sorry. 906. I forgot to write 906. Well, anyway, this is like a green. And then 907 is parrot green light. I apologize. 938 is coffee brown ultra dark. 939 is navy blue very dark. 986 is forest green very dark. This is pretty, guys. 991 is aquamarine dark. 992 is aquamarine light. And this was 993 aquamarine very light. This is probably for her beautiful head wrap. Okay. 3777 is terracotta very dark. 3814 is aquamarine. So lots of aquamarines. 3837 is lavender ultra dark. Very little of that one. This is pretty. 3844 is bright turquoise dark. 3845 is bright turquoise medium. And 3846, it's also bright turquoise but light. And then of course 3865, it's like a white. All right. And of course, so let's look at it. We have lots of these like yellow green, not yellow green, like a yellow orangey colors. Lots of blues and greens in this, guys, and yellows. All right. So let's move this aside. And this painting actually has two ABs. So we've got 130 AB, which is a very, very pretty yellow. Isn't that pretty? And then we have 141, which is white. All right, so let's bring that back the painting. And let's look for these two ABs here, guys. So when you look at the legend, it's number 1. Okay, number 1. So wherever you see number 1, that's where this beautiful AB is going to go. So by just looking at it, it looks like it's going to be, remember I said it looks like a glow behind her? So see lots of ones there. Lots of one on the flowers. So that's going to be beautiful. And lots of ones like scattered here, like on her chest. And then it's also here where whatever she's wearing, it looks like a very pretty like a yellow gown, or is that part of the like of the ivy, the vine? I'm not sure, because she could be like, it looks like she's a flower, you know. Okay, and I think that's about it. So it's basically on the flowers, here on the gown that she's wearing, or the vine, part of the vine, and oh, some here too, and of course in the globe behind her. Okay, and then we have 141, and that's symbol, gosh, I don't even know what it is. It's like a line, and then it's got a little, so let's see, I'll look for it. Okay, I see some over here. It's not too many of these, so I see some here, none on her beautiful head wrap. Anywhere else? Can't find it, but I'm sure it's scattered everywhere because there's plenty in here. Yeah, looks like it's just scattered. All right. If you could add more ABs or crystals or sparklers, where would you add them? I'm sorry about this light. Where would you add them? I don't know. I love the head wrap. I think I would add some there. Make it a little sparkly, and maybe some on her lips. I'm not sure, but I'm really looking forward to working on this one starting tomorrow, maybe today, actually today probably. And so I hope you enjoy it, and if you guys have Lady Creole, just let me know if you do, and if you want to join me and my friends, please feel free to. So I love this painting, guys. Anyway, so I hope you've enjoyed it. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.